rising from there. I'll be moving from the neck towards the mid back, then the low back. When I'm doing this movement, what I want you to do is to bend in front.
Okay.
You're going to keep the arms by the side,
Right.
and they're going to hang.
You can go straight down.
Go straight. I want you to sit at the edge of the bed.
Alright.
Right. थोड़ा सा इसको पीछे कर लेते हैं, otherwise once you go in front you will not have space. No, but I need space to
Is this
stand. Yeah, this is good.
Right, sure.
Now, once you will be going in front, what I want to do is you take the weight, because I'll be pushing you from behind.
Okay.
I want to take the weight at this point
Right.
and this point and the heel.
Okay. So what am I exactly supposed to do for this?
I'll be pushing you from behind
Right.
and you bend in front.
Okay.
You are going to bend in front. From the points, I am going to push you.
Okay.
Let's say I'm pushing at this place, so you are going to bend from here. Once I'm pushing from here, you're going to bend little lower. यहाँ से मैंने bend करा. So I want you to go on curling one by one by one by one by one. Right? Then I will ask you to come up.
Okay. Same fashion or straight up?
Same fashion.
Okay.
You have curled down. So I want you to curl back.
Right.
So I'll be pressing at this point. यहाँ से थोड़ा सा straight होना, फिर यहाँ से straight होना, फिर यहाँ से straight होना, फिर यहाँ से, and then the head. I'll go on giving you all the instructions.
Okay.
Right. Foot में I have told you 3 points. So you take the you need to take the weight.
On those 3 points.
On
so
3
basically
points.
Here and here, like this.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Straight. Once I ask you,
Okay.
let me just hold on to your tissues first. Yeah, bend. Slow. Yeah, you can take out the needles for her. 4. 4. Yes, go on bend. And जैसे जैसे आप आगे जाओगे, अब you will have to stabilize also.
Right.
So once you're stabilizing, you stabilize from those 3 points.
Okay.
Slow. You take the weight from the foot. Support yourself from the foot.
Right.
Can I ask you to focus at my hands? Keep breathing. Yes. And you're taking the weight from the
On your
3
right.
points.
Yeah.
Both the feet.
Okay. Both.
Yes, both the feet. I didn't show you the points on the left, but I want you to take the weight from both the feet. Yes. You're focusing there. You're moving slowly down. Yes, bend from this area. Let your hands, let your shoulders be loose. Let them hang. Yeah, this is good. जहाँ मेरा हाथ आएगा वहाँ से आपने बेंडिंग करनी. Yeah, this is good. So you did good actually here. Let the arms hang. Don't tighten them.
Okay. Now they're touching the floor. Should I just continue going down?
Yeah, continue till I reach your sacrum or the base of your spine. Be in this position. I want you to come up from this area. Come up. Straighten. यहाँ से neck नहीं. यहाँ से. Yes. Straighten from the low back. Straighten. Straight. Don't put much pressure on your neck.
Okay.
Straight. Come up. Yes. Don't put much pressure from the neck. Yes. Straighten out. You're doing good. you're straight.
Fair?